Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing very good. Today's video is all about makeup and I am going to recreate this look of Kareena Kapoor Khan. I really like the look because this has a very bold eyes, black kajal and the brows are very well defined. So let's try this look. So let's start the video and see the results. Okay, so in the picture we can clearly see that the base is just flawless as her skin is very good and natural. So for that we will have a very smooth and clear base. Pond's Super Light Gel for my moisturizer. I have applied the moisturizer and let me tell you that this is a gel based moisturizer which is I think very good for summer. For the winter I think cream based one is good, but for the summer this moisturizer particularly from Pond's is one of my favorite. I have almost finished a lot of tubs of this, so I will really recommend you to use this. According to her look, she is looking a little bit sparkly and glowy, so I will be using a little bit of this Lakme Lumi cream. It is also a moisturizer with a sparkly effect. Like I really love how it makes my base look natural yet very glowy. So let's apply this. So I have applied the Lumi cream and you can see the subtle glow in my face, and I have rested it for like 5 to 10 minutes so that it can be absorbed in my skin and give a very smooth base. Moving forward, I will be using one of my favorite primer from Maybelline. That is the Maybelline Fit Me Primer in the shade Dewy Glow. So it's very good according to my skin tone, and I will be using a little bit of it in my T-zone. You can also apply it all over your face in a very little amount. Okay, after that we will move forward to color correction, and for that I am using the Inside Cosmetics concealer in the shade NC2, which is the nearest match to color correct my under eyes and the hyperpigmented areas in a very little amount, not very much, just to hide my dark circles which are very like brownish and dark. Don't forget to apply it over your eyelids too. And most importantly, I am using a damp beauty blender, not very dry, not very wetty, but a little bit between it. Now I am moving forward to do my eyebrows. As you can see in the picture, the brows are really thick and black. So I will be doing that. Firstly, I'm going to comb with this brush so that my brows are welly shaped, something like this kind of brush, like very flat one. And I am going to spray a little bit of my setting spray over it like this, a very little amount. And I am going to take the brown eyeshadow, not the black one, the brown one, because mostly Indian skin tone brown suits well, in a very little amount, like very little amount, and I'm going to fill it very light hand. Okay, nextly I'm going to do my eyes, and as of her makeup the eyes are very bold and black, jet black, but a little bit of soft touch of pinkish eyeshadow. So I'm going to use this contour palette from Sugar. Actually, it is this one, and I'm going to use this shade, have that flushy pinky look over my eyelid very softly. Now I am going to do the main attractive focus of this look, that is the eyes. And so that I'm going to use this brown shade like very softly over the outer corners of my eyes. This. just to have that shadow effect. We will jump into the kajal part. I'm going to use the plum kajal, which is one of my favorite kajal. So I will be applied it over my eyelid just like this. You know, it doesn't need to be perfect, but something like this, because we will be blending it anyway. We'll apply the kajal same onto our waterline, and again I will take the brown eyeshadow, not the black one first, but the brown one. We'll blend it just. So our eye makeup is almost done, and next I will be using the L'Oreal Paris concealer, and I will be using a little bit over this, a very little amount. Blush, I'm going to use the Swiss Beauty Cream blush. I'll be using the Sugar Translucent powder to set my all over makeup. The 1 minute is over, and I'm going to just dust the excess off. Next, we'll be using a little bit of highlighter, not very much, very subtle, from again the Sugar palette, and in a very soft hand, like just over here. For lipstick, I have two choices, one from the nude shade and one is the mauve shade. So I will be applying the nude shade first, and before that I will be applying a lip liner using the Maybelline shade first. Okay, so the first lipstick is on. Now I'm going to use this from Faces Canada. Firstly, I'm going to curl my eyelashes with a curler, and I'm going to use the mascara from the OG Maybelline one, the Colossal Mascara. Okay, so my makeup is over. Now let's put the setting spray and finish the makeup. So I will be using the Sugar setting spray, and I will let it set for a minute. Now the makeup is over, so let's do the hair. And also I have applied the bindi, which is one of the most attractive thing in the picture of her. Okay, so this is my final look. I have added the earrings so far. I know this is not exactly same, but I have tried to recreate the look actually. So let me know in the comments that if you like the look or not. And if you're watching this video from my YouTube channel, please do subscribe it and like, comment and share this video. And if you're watching this video from my Facebook page, then don't forget to follow and like my page. Also to like, comment and share this video. I will come again in the next video. Bye bye.